Hello and welcome to Docplexus News. The revision of graduate medical education regulations has moved an inch closer. A petition had been filed to revise the undergraduate course curriculum to update the outdated practices and study materials adopted by students. In this regard, recently, the Delhi High Court has warranted the Centre and MCI to respond over the deployment of regulation within 4 weeks. In a recent turn of events, the Secretary General of MCI, Mr. Sanjay Srivastava, has resigned from his post. However, the Health Ministry has not issued any clarification for the same. According to the MCI website, Professor Siddharth Ramji has taken over the responsibilities as the Acting Secretary General. Mr. Sanjay Srivastava had been appointed as the Secretary General last year for assisting the Board of Governors, which included ex officio members and doctors from apex institutions in the country. The US FDA has recently approved a new indication for the combination of trifluridine and tipiracil indicated for the treatment of patients with metastatic gastric cancer. The approval is based on the results of Phase 3 randomized placebo-controlled trial known as TAGS. With this approval, life expectancy and disease control rates are expected to improve in patients with metastatic gastric cancer. The US FDA has recently added a boxed warning for the gout medicine Febuxostat due to an increased risk of death. The step has been taken based on the clinical trial safety data that showed an increased risk of heart-related death and death from all causes with Febuxostat. Thus, FDA has also decided to limit the approved dosage for patients experiencing severe side effects with allopurinol. The US FDA has recently issued a warning against a 10 mg dose of Tofacitinib approved in the year 2012. The warning has been issued after a post-market surveillance found that 10 mg dose of the drug had a higher adverse outcome than its 5 mg dose regimen when given in combination with methotrexate. The FDA has urged clinicians to watch patients with signs and symptoms of pulmonary embolism and instructed patients to seek medical care immediately if they occur. According to the latest data shared by the United States National Library of Medicine, the percentage of clinical trials in India has reduced from 1.5% to 1.2% in 2017. This has raised health concerns considering that India has approximately 20% of the global disease burden. In this regard, the WHO has also cautioned the Health Ministry for its stringent rules of the trial process, which has been a major hurdle in conducting more clinical work in the country. The non-medical degree holders are known to be working in various administrative departments. On this line, recently, the Punjab and Haryana High Court have adjudicated non-medical degree holders with the position of head of departments. The judgment stressed on the fact that head of department is an administrative position and not an academic position, while the reason behind the order has not been justified. Although the perception towards women empowerment has changed worldwide, women are still considered inferior in some parts of the world. Being a part of the global community, this International Women's Day let the josh of women empowerment be high. Let us know your josh by commenting below. These were the latest happenings in the medical field, brought to you by Docplexus, one of the largest online communities of doctors. Stay tuned for more every Thursday at 6 p.m. Happy Docplexing!